Bread boxes are a must-have for any kitchen, as they provide a stylish and practical storage solution for bread and other baked goods. There are many products available to choose bread boxes, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best bread boxes from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Black Bread Box for Kitchen Countertop. Goozy Bread Box is the perfect home for your precious breads. It allows you to store breads at room temperature while ensuring proper airflow to minimize moisture. This traditional bread box helps to keep your bread fresh for longer periods of time. Not only can you store breads, but you can also use it to keep other baked goods fresh. It can even be used as a safe place to store certain fruits. The stylish design of the black bread box adds a touch of traditional yet modern decor to your kitchen countertop. The clear acrylic panel on the door allows you to see what's inside, while the wood handle with magnetic latch keeps the door securely closed. The top shelf with lip provides additional storage space and prevents objects from falling. The Goozy bread box is easy to assemble and sturdy, thanks to its premium bamboo wood construction and 4 large rubber feet that keep it firmly in place on your kitchen counter. With advanced manufacturing techniques and a commitment to quality, Goozy delivers a high-quality bread box, along with outstanding service to its customers. Number 2. Home Coco Double Layer Large Bread Box. The Home Coco Double Layer Large Bread Box for kitchen counter is a sturdy and stylish bamboo wood bread keeper that can hold 2 large loaves of bread, rolls, muffins, and more. The Bread Saver box features a clear plexiglass window that allows for a clear inside view and retains just enough moisture to keep most bread fresh for up to 3 or 4 full days. The high foot and deep back design keeps the bread boxes away from the water and wall surface to ensure the bread stays fresh longer. The double arc-edged bottom on both sides allows for gripping the bread box container at ease and avoid slipping during the moving. Number 3. Bamboo Bread Box for Kitchen Counter. The Etmi Bread Box is a stylish and functional addition to any kitchen counter. Made from natural bamboo, this bread box features 5 holes on the back that promote air circulation, helping to adjust the temperature and humidity to keep your bread fresh for longer. The multi-layer stacking design allows you to use the box as a storage cabinet, making it versatile for organizing other items in your kitchen or office. The transparent door panel makes it convenient to view the contents without opening the box, and the flat top design provides additional space for placing other items. With non-slip rubber feet, the bread box stays securely in place and away from water. Number 4. Tefura Bread Container Plastic Bread Box. Tefura Bread Box is an airtight bread container that keeps your bread fresh for longer. It features a silicone ring on the lid and 4 side latches to preserve the loaf's freshness. Made of high-quality BPA-free PP material, this bread box is freezer and dishwasher safe. This 5-liter container fits any loaf size and is ideal for a modern kitchen. It's perfect for homemade or store-bought bread, bagels, baguettes, and more. Whether you store it in your freezer or on your kitchen counter, this bread box helps you keep your baked goods fresh and delicious. Number 5. Home Coco Wood Bread Box for Kitchen Counter. The Home Coco Wood Bread Box for Kitchen Counter is a stylish and sturdy bamboo bread box that keeps bread fresh for up to 3 to 4 full days. It can hold normal-sized bread, rolls, muffins, and more. The high foot and deep back design keeps the bread boxes away from the water and wall surface to ensure the bread stays fresh longer. The double arc-edged bottom allows for a safer and more convenient grip when moving the bread box.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.